a bunch so we can have organic food in our school lunch. Give us your money, give us a bunch so we can have organic food in our school lunch. Give us a bunch so we can have organic food in our school lunch.
We can do it too.
Grandma, we also, there's a bunch of select vendors here that gave you a bunch of wonderful gifts, and we'd like to present that to you. Thank you, vendors, for all your help out there. And thank you, Dome School, for everything. And thank you, Grandma.
Oh, bless you all. We're all in this leaky canoe together. Remember that. Work, work, work. So that we can live on this planet. Do a good job. Pick up after yourself out here, too. You know, that's all of our jobs. You bet. Thank you so much for allowing me to be here. God bless you.
All right, well, come on over and see Grandma. She's right over here at the teepee. Go check out her new Salmon Ceremony t-shirts. Get yours autographed. She's got some books. Tell you about Salmon Ceremony, which is next weekend. Let's give it up for Grandma. We're so blessed, and thank you for Stacy.